first and foremost the world's premier engineer and inventor, is a man clearly and demonstrably capable of doing 6 impossible things at the same time. This speaks primarily of his intelligence. Musk is exceptionally 1 in a billion high in general cognitive ability and openness, a true genius, albeit in the technical manner. That is an observation, not a criticism. With regard to personality, he's not particularly extroverted, tilting, I would say, in the opposite direction, although not exceptionally so. He is moderate in neuroticism, carrying a fair burden of depression-like pain with him, not least because of a truly rough childhood, which he alludes to, but does not make a show of.
Pretože hrať obeť po zvyšok života je spôsob, akým sa zbabelec vyhýba zodpovednosti. Pozná ho každý. Je to ten typ, čo vyťahuje lekárničku, keď má 99 HP.
There is some withdrawal there, run roughshod over by his brilliance and openness, and also some volatility, evidenced in his behavior on X online.
Dobre. Sorry, Jordan, toto je šialene vtipný post, ktorý je skôr dôkazom zmyslu pre humor.
Yeah, no kidding. No kidding. Yeah, I wish that was funny. Yeah, okay, so I want to talk to you about alignment.
I wish that was funny.
Yeah,
right.
Elon je troll svetovej triedy. Potom, čo celý automobilový priemysel s ťažkosťami prešiel na NACS, ohlásil, že prechádza na bezdrátové nabíjanie.
Musk is also a worker and manager, hard and dedicated, far beyond the norm. So exceptionally high in conscientiousness and agreeable enough, particularly on the compassionate side, to be very pro-human. He is, however, no pushover, is not particularly polite.
Jordanov test osobnosti odhalil 2 superpowers autora. 4. percentil slušnosti a schopnosť nebyť ničím len tak ohúrený. Teda, dokým sa nejedná o galakticky veľké veci.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
Každopádne, súcitím s každým človekom, ktorý nie je slušný. Lebo civilizácia má len 2 fázy. Buď rastie, alebo upadá. Takže, ak sa ti ten vypínač na stene nepáči, vyzleč sa a choď žiť do lesa.
Fucking hell, that's a bit harsh. The tweet was so offensive, the M4 was closed for 45 minutes.
Everybody just got out of their cars to sit in the grass and have a think.
How will the world continue?
People are now just starting to rebuild their lives following a tweet which has been described by some as the most offensive in history.
7 more offensive tweets are expected in the next week. How will you cope?
Excusez,
is not particularly polite and can and does make the difficult judgments of discrimination that allow him to continually operate and maintain multiple, extremely large, demanding, stunningly diverse, and truly cutting-edge enterprises. His staggering intelligence and business acumen means that he brings something near miraculous to the team. I would vote for Trump if I could vote, and I can't because I'm Canadian, and forgive me for that. Just because Musk has agreed to play a role in any new administration that bring about. He has even wittily proposed to head up a new Department of Governmental Efficiency, a phrase whose initials, DOGE, indicate the willingness in an inside joke manner to do only good every day, as well as signifying a bemused but knowing dog whose image has become a widespread meme. It has been my diligent and hopeful observation that Musk is a good man, or at least a terrible, complicated man, trying very hard to be good. which is all we could truly hope if we were the least bit realistic about human nature and our own prospects. Could Musk do to the American deep state what he did for Twitter? Could he prune and cut so the republic could revitalize? Stranger things have happened in the course of human history. Javier Milei is trying something similarly demanding in Argentina. And the US of A has a remarkable capacity to reinvent itself. Someone like Musk playing a key role in the governance of the greatest show on earth is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. That's an adventure by anyone's standards.
5 minutes later.
Guess who's back? Back again. Trump is back. Tell a friend.
Trh po voľbách prehodnotil zľavu akcií správnej vojny proti Elonovi a stúpli vďaka správam, že Elon Musk nebude deportovaný naspäť do Afriky.
Guess who's back? 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 Guess who's back?
Skôr do Bieleho domu.
Bing 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 bing.
Lídri prichádzajú a odchádzajú, ale nemenia pravidlá hry. Cenzúra mení pravidlá hry. Právna vojna mení pravidlá hry. Importovanie voličov mení pravidlá hry. Nastal čas vymeniť ľudí, ktorí menia pravidlá hry.
I'll create a monster, cause nobody wants to see Biden no more. They want Trump. I'm John Liver. Well, if you want Trump, this is what I'll give you. A little bit of weed mixed with some hard liquor.
Červená vlna Hlasu ľudu vyhrala miesto prezidenta, populárny hlas, väčšinu Bieleho domu, väčšinu Senátu, väčšinu štátnych guvernérov a väčšinu tvorcov štátnej legislatívy.
Some vodka that'll jumpstart my heart quicker than a shot when I get shot at the hospital by the doctor. When I'm not cooperating, when I'm rocking the table, well, he's operating.
Je to jasný mandát ľudu, ktorý žiada zmenu.
You did, Mary. You electrified the entire automobile industry. I'm serious.
You led.
And it matters.
You waited this long, now stop debating, cause I'm back, I'm loaded reg and ovulating. I know that you got a job, Miss Pelosi, but your husband's heart problem's complicating.
Plán zahrňa spraviť z Ameriky dominantného výrobcu energie s veľkým náskokom, prestať outsourcovať a zmeniť USA na superpower veľkovýroby. Zdá sa mi to, alebo tu cítim Elonov slovník.
So the FCC won't let me be, or let me be me, so let me see. They try to shut me down on my Twitter, but it feels so empty without me.
Chrániť ústavu a základné slobody, ako meme na X-ku.
So how much pressure, to the extent you can say, has there been on you to shut it down or to censor it?
Well, I mean, apart from the multiple Democrats saying that I should go, they want to put me in jail, take away all government contracts from my companies, nationalize my companies, deport me as an illegal, and have me arrested because I'm apparently Putin's best friend. Nothing besides those things.
And some tits and get ready, cause this shit's about to get heavy. Just settle all the lawsuits. Fuck you, Nancy! This looks like a job for me. So everybody, just follow me. Cause we need a little controversy. Cause it feels so empty without me.
Nastoliť mier, zrušiť pračku na peniaze, ktorá bežných ľudí v zákopoch stojí životy, ukončiť zbrojenie vlády proti vlastnému ľudu, zrušiť podporu pre EVs, ktorá v konečnom dôsledku reálne pomôže Tesla.
I said this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me.
Najbližšie 4 roky sú najdôležitejšie v histórii Tesly a SpaceX. Tesla spustí autonómiu a SpaceX začne s letmi na Mars. Nová administratíva vyroluje červený koberec obom firmám, alebo pri najmenšom sa ku nim bude správať férovo. Ako investor a fanúšik naozaj nemôžem byť šťastnejší.